G'day guys, this is Big T. Today I've got the 76 series in the workshop and I'll be fitting the dual tables on the rear doors. So this is the smaller door. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to remove the trim and then just install this in a place as so, and then put the table on. So on the smaller door, just take out the screw that's in the center and then just push the handle forward and it comes out as so. Now that I've drilled out all my holes and mounted my nutserts, just get the trim and insert it through the door handle as so. You can lock your door handle back into place. Now, using the long bolts in our fitting kit, I'm just going to go through and just mount them in place. Now that I've got my trim in place there, I'm just going to put my the screw back and fix the handle in place. So in your fitting kit, you've got 4 of the smaller size Allen keys. So these 4 are going to hold my table onto the hinges. And then I have 2 smaller ones, really the smallest ones in the kit. And they're going to go in the end here where the table's going to mount up to the trim. So mount those 2 smaller ones. So now that I've got those 2 smaller ones in place, I'm just going to mount the hinge. So put the hinge in place as so, and then put your bolt straight through. Now put all 4 in first before we tighten it up. Got the 2 Allen keys in the base there, and then I've mounted my hinges in place. I'm just going to go through there and tighten it all up. Okay, so now I've just got my number 3 Allen key and I have an 8mm spanner, and I'm just going to tighten up the hinges. So just tightening up the base there, I have a 2.5mm Allen key and I have a 7mm spanner. And just tighten that up. So in your fitting kit, you're going to find this rubber. Now this rubber is going to mount up to where the hinges are, and this is going to remove any vibration when we're going off road. So I'm just going to trim those into place, and then just mounts up as so. Now once I close the door, that's just going to take any vibration out of the door when I go off road. And we're ready to hit the tracks.